So this event was an ideation event to allow our creative customers to come in and see some of their ideas and how they can use new technologies that maybe they didn't know about.
It's first of a kind, it's a good cooperation. We as makeup producers of bakery and pastry lines wanted to go find high quality producers and innovative equipment, and it naturally happened and it grew further.
We know our customers need solutions, and so we endeavor to go with the best-in-class suppliers. So a part of this event included Kristen Spriggs from American Society of Baking, for instance. Rabobank was here as well. JouJou was here. These are all parts of an entire pie, including the customers, which is where it starts. Their consumer is actually where it starts, demanding a new product, and we all have to work together, so we don't want to be in silos any longer. The way that we're going to thrive as an industry is coming together collectively.
We're trying to find an easier way to provide for them different products, yet versatile, but a full solution. They're asking us to help them find what they want in new products, because they are in turn having their own pressure from the end customers, from the users.
In this case, specifically on the thermal side, we're looking at rapid cooling with vacuum technology and rapid bake with RF technology. And these are really disruptive technologies that in both cases reduce production time by 30 to 40%. And when you combine them together, you can have a reduction of total processing time by more than 50% with a better quality product and a lower operating cost.
We both used a lot of flexibility. Our equipment showed different kind of products, and we got some feedback from the customers to see what kind of innovations they need, what can we offer, and how can we provide the customers with more creative, diverse potentials in the market. What can they produce as different products, new products? This is where we chose our versatile equipment making with Middleby's new disruptive innovations as well together. Waste is one of the main points that we as a makeup line look at from a sustainability standpoint. We try to minimize as much as possible the waste and to automate and reduce the costs involved in that section of the makeup lines. Energy as well is also being heavily considered, more so on the thermal side, but on our end as well, we try to reduce the energy part as part of our sustainability into it as well.
Innovation is exciting, but it's also scary for a lot of customers, right? Because there's a lot of risk sometimes. And so what they're doing is they're asking us as the experts in these individual compartments to come alongside them, partner with them, to help them take their ideas and bring them to commercial product. And so for us to be able to put these pieces together in a place like the Bakery Innovation Center, Middleby Innovation Kitchen, these are places that spawn the idea, but it's a place where collectively we come together with Fritsch, JouJou, and many others to actually show them this is how we can do it together. These are the costs. And we look at this at the front end and we say, this is a product that can make money and bring brand value to your name.
Customers just want to buy a shirt. They don't want to buy the cloth, the needle, and the thread. They're asking us to come together and come and which shirt they want to buy. So that's what the whole summit is all about, making it easier, faster with innovation and sustainability, as you mentioned.